Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Canon RF 50mm f1.8 aperture lens. So I got this from Target on sale for $169. $169 on sale from Target. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this lens out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is Canon's RF series lineup 50mm f1.8 aperture low light lens. So this lens is ideal for low light and portrait situations. Here on this side of the box, here is what the lens will look like. So it's a fixed 50mm lens. If you're new to photography, this is known as the Nifty 50. And here on this side of the box, here it says lens RF 50mm f1.8 stepping motor lens. So a pretty simple presentation from Canon. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this lens. So once you open up from the top, here are the things that we are about to see. The first thing that we see here is Canon's limited warranty. So here's the limited warranty for Canon. Make sure you have this handy if something goes wrong. And you can always register your Canon products online, and you can expand your photographic knowledge through Canon. And here you can also reach out to customer support if you need anything from Canon. So here's the dealer record of Canon purchase. Be sure to have that handy. And the next thing here is the instructions for Canon lenses. So let's go ahead and unfold this out and see if any of this information is important. So to me, this is a lot of information, but you can always scan the QR code or follow that link to know the basics of the lens here. Here we have attaching, detaching a lens, and all that other information. Like I said, you can always visit their website at canon.com to know about how to use this lens, but it's pretty straightforward from here. So once we lift this cardboard thing out, here is how the lens is packaged. It is in a bubble wrap, protected by a plastic casing here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and put that away and go ahead and check out the Nifty 50 from Canon. So like I mentioned, the Nifty 50, or the 50mm f1.8 aperture lens, is ideal for low light night photography or low light conditions, and this is also ideal for portrait shots. So here is the design of the lens. It has an all plastic build. Here's the control and focus switch. Here is how it indicates this is a Nifty 50. And yeah, so you have the control ring on the outer part of the lens. Here's the lens cap, Canon Lens RF 50mm f1.8. So this should fit or this should be compatible with any Canon EOS R-series cameras, such as the R10, R100, and R7, R5, R6. And yeah, so really love the build quality here. Let's go ahead and expose the inner lens, and let me go ahead and close this up and take out my camera, which is the Canon EOS R100. So here, what I have in my hand is the Canon EOS R100, an entry-level camera in the Canon R-series. Here's the kit lens that came with. It goes from 18 to 45 millimeter lens, and to change the lens, all you have to do is hold down this button and unscrew it to the left from what I'm doing here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take out my Nifty 50 Canon lens, and to install it you have to match this red marker along with the red marker on the camera and turn until you hear a click. And yeah, so once you hear the click, make sure it is enclosed and not loose. And yeah, so here's what it looks like with the Nifty 50 installed onto my EOS R100. And yeah, so really love the weight of the R100 with the Nifty 50 on the lens. It feels like something that is premium, to be honest with you. Not sure how to explain it, but it doesn't feel like it is. It feels something that is significant. So here you can see the motors working with the autofocus. And let's go ahead and take some sample photography. So I hope you enjoyed my test photography samples from my Canon's EOS R100 with the Nifty 50 installed. That will do it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this lens, and let me know what you think about the results that I did, that I've taken photos of with this Nifty 50 lens on my EOS R100. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to come my other YouTube content that is on his channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh, and I'll definitely see you on next one.